Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use a graph to estimate the equations of all the vertical asymptotes of the curve y is equal to tangent of 2 sine of x from x going from negative pi to pi. So if we pull up this function here over the range that it was asking us, what we can do is we can plug in different values of x and see if the function appears to approach it. So if we say right here, there seems to be a vertical asymptote because here it goes off to positive infinity and here it goes off to negative infinity. If we plug in x is equal to 1, we can see that that is relatively good, but it crosses over at some point, so maybe we can estimate it a little bit better. And here 0.9 is about as close as we're going to get with a good measurement. And without any super precise measuring and looking off to the infinities and really high numbers, we can just say 0.9. We can also see that negative 0.9 is the same because this function is identical in terms of its asymptotes on both sides. And then so therefore we just have to find this positive value and then we can find its negative equivalent as well. And so we have x is equal to 2.5. That's too far over. 2.4. Still too much. 2.2. Sorry, that's 22. 2.2 is again maybe 2.25. There you go. It's about as good as you're going to get by looking at this range. So we can say therefore negative 2.25 is also going to be your asymptote as well. And so these are your four asymptotes. If we pull up the equations right here, negative and positive 0.9 and negative and positive 2.25 are the estimates of the vertical asymptotes of the function y is equal to tangent of 2 sine x from x going from negative pi to pi.